Good morning, dear students. Today we will do chapter number 14, present continuous tense. In this series of present tense, yesterday we have done simple present tense. Today we will do present continuous tense. The formation of present continuous tense is subject plus is MR plus V1 plus ing. Means subject plus helping verb plus base verb plus ing. Read the following sentences. I am painting. In this sentence, I is subject, am is helping verb, paint is our main verb and ing added to the main verb painting. Okay. You are working right now. She is speaking on the phone. They are playing Ludo and we are plugging the field. In the above sentences, the verbs painting, working, speaking, playing and plugging are in present continuous tense. The present continuous tense indicates the action that action is going on right now, which is going on right now. जो action अब हो रहा है. We are speaking and side by side action is going on. That is called present continuous tense. For yes, with present continuous tense हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स कैसे यूज़ करनी है. सी आई के साथ एम का, वी यू और दे प्लूरल के साथ आर का यूज़ किया जाता है. ही शी इट के साथ इज का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. एम इज आर प्लस बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी. माया इज डांसिंग, आई एम स्लीपिंग, शी इज लुकिंग आउटसाइड, इट इज मेकिंग नॉइज. Now see simple present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense में we use base form of verb and in present continuous tense we use ing with base form of verb. For example, sleep sleeping, drive driving, cook cooking, cut cutting, ride riding, sing singing, pond ponding and wave waving. Like this you will read this form verb जो है verbs. In order to make negative sentences in the present continuous tense, we simply add note to the base form of verb plus ing. हम जो है base form of verb के साथ note का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और ing का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Example, I am not playing, she is not eating, they are not studying. Now fill in the blanks with present continuous tense verb given in the bracket. Verb is given here, play. I am play. Play is main verb. We will add ing to the main verb. I am playing with my friends. The gardener is water is main verb. The gardener is watering the plants. I am dash a gift for my brother. For my mother. I am buying a gift for my mother. Like this you will complete this exercise. And in part B, verb is already given with verb is already given in present continuous tense and you have to fill in the blanks. And in C part you have to take the correct sentence and in this part you have to change the sentences into negative form by adding note. PDF of this chapter will be provided. Thank you. Have a great day.